Okay, here we are. Continuing. So start. Oh, I've had a lot of storage problems, so if you guys could watch one of my videos, I'll monetize them, and then I can probably get a new phone if I get enough money. I love it when you move side to side. Let's get all bullets back. I know he's not out. He's only shot. I know, I can see your gun. I know you're not out. I can see your gun from here. Random shooter. Oh! You're gonna run out soon. Oh, you run out! Oh. No, you won.
Yeah, right.
This one's shooting at you.